Today I'm going to install a NUVO water heater system. What NUVO is a citrus-based system. What it does is the water comes in through the system, into the cartridge, and out. And as it goes out, it's bringing the citrus with it. The citrus is designed to break down the scale. Now this isn't a softener, it's just a conditioner. So as it goes through, the way it breaks down the scale is it leaves the minerals in the water, but it's not able to bond together. So like if you have a faucet, you turn the wand upside down, you see all the scale on it that's built up, or on a shower head. That's the scale that's caking up. This system won't allow that to do it, and over time it'll clean it and it'll maintain it. And that's what we're wanting to do with this tankless water heater. As it goes through, it'll go through the system, and over time it'll clean the heat exchanger, and then it'll maintain it and keep it clean. And that's what the system is designed to do. And how this works is, as it goes through, it picks up the citrus, like I said before. But the nice thing about this is that because it's an annual replacement on the cartridge, you just push up on the tab here, it's 1/4 turn, and the cartridge is done. Chuck this cartridge, put the new cartridge in, and you're ready to go for another year. And once that's done, kick my water heater back on, wait for an hour, and then just go ahead and use it like regular, and in 12 months we'll do it again. Like I said, I know the NUVOs work, so I'm very confident that this is going to take care of the descaling on the unit, and also just for also for the dishwasher and the shower heads and the faucets and whatnot.